is a simple step-by-step method to solve problems of the type, if this much gives that much, how much gives the amount we want? We do it in 2 moves. First to 1 unit, then to the target amount. Direct proportion example. 12 notebooks cost €9. How much do 20 notebooks cost? Direct means more notebooks means more price in the same ratio. We go in 2 steps. First to 1 notebook by dividing by 12, then to 20 notebooks by multiplying by 20. 9 divided by 12 is €0.75 per notebook. Then multiply by 20. That gives €15. In a direct proportion, the ratio stays constant. Price divided by notebooks is constant. That is why dividing by 12 and then multiplying by 20 works cleanly. Now, an inverse proportion example. 6 workers need 12 hours. How long do 8 workers need for the same job? Inverse means more workers means less time because the product workers times hours stays constant. The 2-step method still works, but the operation flips between the lines. From 6 workers to 1 worker, the top line is divided by 6. The time must be multiplied by 6. So 1 worker needs 72 hours. Then from 1 worker to 8 workers, the top line is multiplied by 8. So the time is divided by 8. 72 divided by 8 is 9 hours. How do you decide between direct and inverse? If more of one gives more of the other, that is direct proportion. Use the same operation on both lines. If more of one gives less of the other, that is inverse proportion. Operations flip between the lines. Summary. The rule of 3 is a 2-step method. Step 1, go to 1 unit. Step 2, go to the target. In direct proportion, you use the same operation across both lines. In inverse proportion, the operation flips between the lines. Keep track of units and ask yourself, does more lead to more or more lead to less? You now have a reliable way to solve proportion problems without mistakes.